Okay, this Nissan 1990 model is a Q's. You see the Q's, all right? The Q's, and it's an excellent car, automatic, but there's a lot of work to be done. Okay, so remember, it's the Nissan Q's. Okay. Now this is the car that has to be fixed, and it's a Nissan Silvia. Let me just take you around the car and tell you how much of work is in there involved in this project, and what is in there and what is not there. Okay, there we go. OMG, there's nothing in here, right? Just you have the nameplate. Okay, let's close this part of it, go around the car. There you go. OMG, just a disaster. There you go. OMG, there's work going on there. Pretty much work, a lot of work involved. Oh, and there you go. Let's see. That's how it is. Okay, now I've showed you the whole car, and now this car has to be working fit for purpose and running on the road. Alright, and the project starts now. This is how we take out these cover, and we need to clear up the whole car. OMG. So what's happening here right now? Can you explain?
Trying to take the tar mat that came with the stock car, so we can get under the bare metal and see if there's any rust.
Okay, so what is this white thing I'm seeing there?
So this is dry ice.
Okay.
The only way possible to get this out.
Can you remove that? Can you show? All right. Okay. Pretty intense job on this car. Okay.